Hello there everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Gillian with a G, and there you get it wrong. Today I decided to do another natural hair tutorial. This is just, I'll be trying out the 𝒕𝒺 Deep Conditioning Protein Pack. I have used it before, but I thought why not share it with you guys. This is just more to help those who are natural but don't want to break the bank. Just saying, we are here to save coins while looking good. So let's get right into this video. I decided to buy 2 packs. This is the one that I usually use, the coconut oil formula. This is the deep conditioning protein pack. I love it. I love the smell of it, and it is just hella amazing. And what this one has is also with vitamin E. As you can see, vitamin E, raw coconut oil, harvested with the coconut palm. And the white pack is for dry, damaged, there we go, dry, damaged or color treated hair. Now I don't feel like my hair is dry nor damaged. I just like how my hair feels after using this protein pack. And then I also went along and bought the olive oil deep conditioner protein pack. So it looks like this. Yes, I've opened it because I did. And this one is also with vitamin E. The only difference is this one has the extra virgin olive oil, and it's cold pressed for the 𝒁𝓁𝒾𝒃𝒃 whatever tree fruit. And this one is for frizz prone hair. So sometimes our hair does get a bit frizzy, sometimes brittle, so I thought this will be nice to use. And it also has Jamaican black castor oil, which is 100% pure. So I just want to show you, and this one is made with coconut oil, fair trade coconut oil. So these are the 2 packs. But today I will be doing the olive oil deep conditioner. So what I do before each deep conditioning is I co-wash my hair. Oh my gosh, what a struggle. I co-wash my hair, as you can see. So I co-wash my hair, and then I just t-shirt dry it so it still is a bit damp. And then I go in with my deep conditioner. So it's green. It doesn't smell the best. Sorry, I hate the smell. It reminds me of Easy Waves. So remember, it's Easy Waves. So it really smells like Easy Waves. So it looks like this. And then all I do, I rub my hands together, and I prefer to start like from the bottom, like so. There we go. So, and then I finger detangle while putting it in, and this just ensures that the product is distributed evenly throughout my hair. I don't know if you guys can see my hair color actually, because the background is dark, but anywho, this is the best that I can do because I am filming with my light, because sometimes natural lighting doesn't always work together. So you can see, like, I do little small sections like so. So I make sure that it's evenly spread out, and then I just press it into my hair, and there we go. And then I just do a quick twist out. See, just quick twists, that's it, just to firstly to make sure that the deep conditioning is doing its work, and also that my hair is not in the way. I do like, now that I did that section, this is how my hair shades. I'm still trying to figure out if my hair is shedding or if it's falling out. So it is quite a process to determine what's actually causing it. But yeah. The one thing that I do like about these protein packs is they provide vitamins and minerals for dry and damaged hair. So your hair still gets in the vitamins that it needs and the minerals with this deep conditioning protein pack. And it is so easy to work with, super creamy, so my hair doesn't dry out while applying this. And then also the benefits of this protein pack, I keep on saying also a lot, guys, I'm so sorry. It penetrates moisture for dry hair too. So should you have dry hair, it helps with moisture and shine. So if you feel like sometimes your hair is lacking shine, you can use this too. I try and do the deep conditioning protein pack minimum once a week, because my hair, I don't say my hair doesn't get a lot of love. It does, don't get me wrong, my hair gets a lot of love, but sometimes I do feel like with the love it gets, there are just some things that I'm still trying to understand about my hair, which is not hella cool. So I'm just like trying to understand, why is there breakage? I feel like there's a lot of breakage in my hair. Why is it dry? And while understanding my hair, I need to also make sure that I protect my hair and give it the vitamins and minerals it needs. And this olive oil deep conditioning pack from Palmer's, it helps to strengthen, oh my gosh, strengthen weak and brittle hair, and it helps with hair growth too. So at least so when it helps with hair growth, it means that your breakage is going to be less. So I think maybe instead of going in once a week with this, I should maybe use it twice a week and see how my hair actually handles it, because I don't understand, like my hair is just on a whole new level. You can see I'm just putting it all over my hair before doing the twist, then at least it's not time consuming, and any product that's on my hair I can just evenly distribute. There you go. So I mainly, you'll see I keep on going back here, because what I've noticed is I actually neglect this section here. So then my hair turns out to be super dry in the middle, but heavy moisturized here around like the outer corner. I almost said outer corner of my hair. But then it's super moisturized on the outside, but in the middle it is not at all, which is hella yeah, which can be very frustrating. So yeah, so I'm just making sure that, there we go, everywhere, and then I just put it in mini twists. There's still some left, and with this I just put on my edges, in the middle, at the back. There we go. The instructions are to leave it to 2 to 5 minutes before rinsing out. I think I'm going to do it like for 10-15 minutes, because it is deep conditioning, so I really want my hair to absorb the moisture. So now we wait for 15 minutes. Left my hair in for about 15 minutes. It's still damp, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wash it out, or rinse it out, not wash, rinse it out, and then I'll be back to give some feedback. I just finished washing my hair, once again doing a t-shirt dry, because I want to keep my curls and don't want to over dry it. But yeah, this is my hair. It feels very soft. Must say there's a bit of moisture in it when I touch it, so I actually do like it. It still feels like or not feels like, but I can smell my hair smells like Easy Waves. Like, guys, no jokes. If you don't know what Easy Waves is, guys, where have you been? So yeah, and this is my hair in its natural form. I'm just using my wide tooth comb to detangle it, and to make sure that there's no product in it at all. So you can see it looks very healthy at this stage, and just remember this is with absolutely no product, because everything is washed out of my hair. So there we go, got my little fro back. Shrinkage is real, but I mean it's all part of the journey. I actually love how my hair is looking. Oh my gosh, road to healthy hair while being a lazy natural. If you guys did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, most important, do subscribe and click that notification bell, because we are on our way to 1K subscribers. It is taking hella long, but I have faith that we will get there sooner than later. Would be freaking amazing. But once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Till next time.